This is the demo video for the team Gen Spark, and the project name is Social Pulse, and it is for the hackathon that is hosted on the FindCoder website, the Levels Government Pre-Hackathon, in which we were required to create a small data set that had a simulated social media engagement, and then we had to create a flow in Langflow that will take that database, provided it was stored in AstraDB, and then uses GPT integration of some sort to generate simple insight based on the inputted data. We have logged into the Astra database, and we have created a test database inside it, in which in its default key space we have created a collection that is test collection, and in our lang flow what we have done, we have created a flow that is social pulse flow in our case, that connects to this Astra database collection using this component, Astra database component. So what happens in our flow is that we take the file that is our simulated data that we have created. We have stored it in a file in a CSV format, and we take it to this split text component that takes each row of the file, inputted file, and divides them into multiple chunks. We ingest this data into our Astra database component. Along with this, we also take a chat input from the user that we can access from this playground button, as well as our made website, which I will show you in a second. So the in the playground, the chat input gets put into here, and it also gets received in the Astra database. This ingested data and the chat input get passed through the passed data component, and then it gets thrown into a prompt. This is our custom prompt, in which we have said that this AI assistant, it is an AI assistant, and we just tell him what user has asked and what the database has resulted, and we have simply given a simple prompt that makes the AI give a simple answer that does not have any complicated mathematical equations in it, so that end user can understand the output easily, even if he is of non-technical background. This prompt gets into the Grok API. Now we were required to use GPT integration, but we didn't had any OpenAI API key, which was only available to premium user, and that's why we went with Grok component. But we can easily change this to an OpenAI component and use OpenAI different models of OpenAI instead. Now the chat input from the playground also gets inputted here along with the prompt, and together this an output is result which is shown in the playground. Now we can access this all in playground. We can say we can go to the another chat. We can say hi. The flow runs, and we get a result from the Grok AI that we have given it some data about social media post and so on. And now we can just ask any specific question like, what is the performance compared to other posts? And the flow runs again, taking the chat input which I have just given it, and an output is resulted. Output gets thrown out by the Grok AI, and it gets shown here. Also, using the API of this flow system, we have also created our own website that is the Social Pulse website, which is just this. You can just press this button to access the same interface on a website without going through any Langflow. So this website uses the API endpoint of the Langflow, and it works the same way. We can ask the same question and get the same output here. And that's about it. Thank you very much.